The front and rear sonar system helps detect obstacles at the front, rear, and corners of the vehicle. The system is activated when the ignition is in the on position and the shift lever is moved to either the reverse or drive position. The system automatically deactivates at speeds above approximately 6 miles per hour and reactivates at lower speeds. While in drive, this system detects front obstacles. When the shift lever is in reverse, both front and rear obstacles are detected. When an object is detected, a blinking green indicator light appears and a tone sounds intermittently. When the vehicle moves closer to the object, the color of the indicator turns yellow, and the rate of the blinking increases. When the vehicle is very close to the object, the indicator light stops blinking, turns red, and a tone is continuously heard. Press this button to disable the alert. To adjust the sonar settings or enable or disable the system, use these controls to select settings, driver assistance, parking aids. Then select the setting you wish to change or the system you want to turn on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.